2.2 Differentiate between 1. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Answer. Aerobic respiration. The respiration process during which food is broken down to release energy in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Glucose plus oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Anaerobic respiration. The breakdown of food substances in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. This process releases energy less than aerobic respiration. Glucose. Ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy.
2. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Answer. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are both gases that play important roles in the Earth's atmosphere and the biology of living organisms. Oxygen. Plants, algae, and some bacteria make oxygen during photosynthesis. All living things need oxygen for respiration. Carbon dioxide. All living things make carbon dioxide during respiration. Plants, algae, and some bacteria need carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. 3. Breathing and respiration. Answer. Breathing. Breathing is the exchange of gases by inhalation and exhalation of the air. It takes place in alveoli of the lungs. Respiration. Respiration is a process to release energy from food during a series of reactions. It takes place in mitochondria of the cells. 4. Arteries and veins. Answer. Arteries. Carry blood away from the heart. Thick-walled vessels. Facing high blood pressure. Having no valves. Carry blood having oxygen and nutrients for the body cells, except pulmonary artery. Veins. Carry blood towards the heart. Thin-walled vessels. Facing low blood pressure. Veins have valve. Return blood carrying carbon dioxide and other wastes, except pulmonary vein. Five. Capillaries and alveoli. ANS. Capillaries. Provide surface area for exchange of materials between the body cells and blood cells. Provide oxygen and nutrients to the cells and collect carbon dioxide and other wastes from the cells. Alveoli. Gaseous exchange takes place in the alveoli. Oxygen from the air diffuses into blood through the walls of the alveoli. At the same time, carbon dioxide carried by the blood from the body cells diffuses out into the alveoli.